had really bad migraine headaches. That was the main thing that I was concerned about, really bad migraines. My jaw was clicking. It was kind of like a pulling sensation in it. There's a lot of jaw pain that was going into my head and my ears. I had tinnitus with ringing in my ears all the time, 24/7. You know, I started with the headaches about 15 years ago. I had a back injury and they thought that it was my back, and I had back surgery and that didn't help. I also had some problems with sinuses, with polyps in my sinuses, and they thought that would be the symptom, you know, the cause of the headaches. And I had sinus surgery, that did not help. I had another doctor that gave me a splint for TMJ because I was grinding my teeth, but they didn't do anything for the headaches or realigning the jaw. They were just concerned about my teeth rubbing. That didn't help. And then I was put into braces to align my teeth, and hopefully that wouldn't to rub the teeth, but they didn't again treat the headaches. The way that the doctors treated the headaches, and many doctors, was with prescription medication. I had 9 different prescriptions in 6 years. That didn't help. Then they gave me shots for migraines, and that didn't help. So I kind of got to just used to having them until I heard about Dr. Shirazi, and I thought, well, you know, I'll give it one more chance, you know, because I heard that he treats the symptoms. He treats for headaches, he treats for the tinnitus, he treats for the jaw pain, not just rubbing the teeth. And I was really concerned about the jaw because I went to a dentist for 44 years, wonderful guy, and he retired. And I went to a new dentist and he says, you know, you have TMJ, you're really doing a lot of damage to your jaw. And he referred me to Dr. Shirazi. And I talked with Dr. Shirazi and he really explained what was happening to the jaw and how it was connecting and what I was doing, the damage that I was doing to the jawbone. And what he did is he put me in a day splint and a night splint, and it corrected that. He readjusted my jaw, and I was really surprised. I didn't have the clicking, I didn't have the locking, I didn't have the pain. I was kind of skeptical that it would take away the migraines, but it did. I haven't had any migraines for about 11 months, and the headaches completely gone for, oh, good 7-8 months now. The tinnitus is completely gone, and I didn't think I'd ever have that, so it's awesome. I was in chronic pain on, you know, pain medicines which were making me sick, so I couldn't be on them, so I was just in pain. I went to one doctor that was like, oh, you need to be on this, you know, pain medicine, and, you know, that's the only way to handle it. And I'm like, no. But it makes a big difference. I mean, you can do things, you can, you know, go to events, whereas before it's just like, go home, dark room, ice, you know, you just couldn't move. Migraines are so just disabling. And it was just, for having headaches for almost 15 years, and migraines a good 8 of those years, to no migraines, no headaches, it's just unbelievable. They're wonderful, they're awesome. They're always just concerned about, okay, is there any pain? What are your symptoms? Has it gotten better? You know, they always focus on what my need is. They focus on what the treatment they need to do at that time, if they need to do a little bit of adjustment, or if they, you know, go into like past things, okay, is this better? So they treat the whole person. They treat, you know, everything, not just what they think it is. They listen to you. They really listen and follow through. I was surprised at his technique. I was surprised at what he did to come to the conclusion of what the actual problem was, as far as, you know, my migraines, the headaches, the jaw pain, the jaw clicking, and I've never heard of it or known anybody to address the issues the way he did. So I was really surprised when I spoke with him, and really was impressed about the knowledge and everything that he did do for me. And it was like right on. He was just like specializing just me and what, you know, my problems were and issues were, and he dealt with that, and that was really impressive to me.